Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In a hot minute since I posted, I ended up getting COVID in the beginning of September, and you know, everything just went by, but I have done a lot in the month of September, I think. But I did go to a concert. I did kind of vlog it, but I don't really like the vlog, so I may not post it. But I also am I do really want to start doing more vlogs, and I have some journal videos, but I just wanted to come on here and just show you. I ended up buying this bodysuit. Leopard print might be really big this fall, but I could be wrong. This girl was using hair oil as like mousse for a tight like slip back ponytail, so I am going to do that and try it out and see if it works. So here we go. I also started a new job. My first day was yesterday, so I really don't know like a set schedule, but should be fun. Alright, so usually when I do my hair, I use the TikTok brush, this little brush thingy that I think was from like CVS forever ago, and a parting comb. And then I just need my mirror, needs somewhere where I can see. Don't mind me, just moving stuff around. I don't want like a high ponytail. Or should I do a bun? I guess I'll just do the Hailey Bieber bun. So yeah, when you want to do, I'm not good at hair. Please don't take my hair advice. But if you do want to do like the Hailey Bieber bun, you just kind of have to take your two front parts, like kind of set them aside. That's in my face. Oh, I also been to a couple of interviews. I went to an interview last Friday. I've been a busy girl this month. This month kind of flew by to me. I've been out of work since May. Kind of nice to like kind of have a job and not be in the job hunt anymore, because that was stressful. If you were out of a job, you definitely know what I'm going through. And the market's really freaking bad. And I just don't understand why it takes employers, like, this is just me ranting, but I just don't understand why it takes employers like 3 rounds of interviews to know. Like, I feel like you would know right away if you click with someone or if you don't. But when I first started doing interviews in May, because I was let go of my job in May, whatever, stuff happens. But when I was first doing the interviews, I was very insecure and I didn't believe in myself, which obviously, like, I feel like someone would see that. And then, you know, when I was first fired, I was focused on like the mistakes I made and how I messed up and how I couldn't get this or that. And I'm just like, you know what? This is not working, because like all I'm focusing on is my mistakes. Like, you know, when you start a job, you definitely are learning a bunch of new things, new skills. And at my job in particular, like, I learned a lot of like HR related and human resource related. I just feel like when you get fired, you kind of have to focus on like what you learned and not so much of like what you didn't achieve, if that makes sense. Well, it was very hard for me at first because it was my first time ever being fired from a job. And it felt very personal. Like, it felt so personal, to be honest. When I first started my YouTube journey, I think first time I posted was in November. I talked about like how to let go. I think it was my how to let go video. I do want to recreate that video, but pretty much in that video, I was rewatching it because like I said, I want to recreate it. I talked about like, if you got fired from a job, you know, focus on like what you achieved. And, you know, it's very true. Like I said, I was focusing on everything I'd done wrong. But the only reason I want to re-record that video, I love that video and I love, like, the topics I talked about. I just think the quality is kind of bad because, you know, I made this probably in November last year. And, you know, I was new to YouTube. I was just kind of just posting just because, like, I needed a distraction from my life last year because I was very heartbroken. And I needed a hobby, and that hobby happened to be like, you know, recording, editing, and posting, stuff like that. So that's what I ended up doing. But I was more like shy and timid and the audio is very loud in that video, so I do really want to re-record it. This is what I have so far. I don't know if I like it. It usually takes me 1,010,000,000 tries to get this right, so I will be back.
Pretty like a princess, sweet and like a peach. As long as you conform, they'll let you become queen. Lose the extra.
Okay, so I do like the oil actually did work as mousse, like hair gel, and I feel like it's way healthier than hair gel. So like if you want to do your hair but you don't, and it's like you're gonna wash it the next day, definitely try the hair oil, because it does actually slick it back very nice. I wasn't sure if I'd like this, but yeah. So I also made this concoction. It has leave-in conditioner, water, castor oil, and I think I'm gonna put some coconut oil in it. Sometimes when you do a bun, you just gotta mess around with it. But since I just did this for the sake of, you know, just to do it, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna leave it in like this. It might take a couple tries to get the bun you want.